In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. Now, this is a very basic tutorial on how to start a Facebook group, but if you're looking for something a little more advanced, there is a great training tutorial available. It's by Eric Sminia, and he shows you how to create a Facebook group with some hidden features that Facebook has. It's features that people usually overlook inside Facebook groups and Facebook pages that will allow you to grow your Facebook group at a more higher rate. So if you're starting a Facebook group for profit, maybe you want to monetize it with offers, affiliate offers, or you're selling a product, or if you own a business and you are creating a Facebook group for your business, then you might want to check into that training program by Eric, and the link for that is down below, and he'll teach you how to use the Facebook algorithm, start your Facebook group, and allow it to grow a little bit faster. So here we're just going to get started with Facebook. Here we're going to get started on the Facebook homepage, and from the Facebook homepage, you want to look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Yours may look a little bit different than mine. This is a pretty fresh account. So we're going to click on groups over here on the left-hand side of the screen. And of course, we don't want to join groups here. We want to create a group. So we want to go and click this blue button that says Create New Group. So we're going to give our group a name right here. Also, it does give us a preview in the middle, a desktop preview. And if you click on this little button here on the left-hand or the right-hand side of the screen, right here looks like a cell phone. It'll give you a mobile preview of what it's going to look like on the cell phone. So I'm just going to stick with the desktop preview, and so we're going to go ahead and give it a name. So for this one, I am going to do a woodworking site. So I'm going to put Aaron's Woodworking. And our privacy level, we want to put whether it's public or private. If it's private, then only members can see who's in the group and what they post. So I'm going to leave mine at public. And we have the option to invite friends. You can invite friends if you want, and that way they can join your group on an invitation. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. And here is our brand new group. Now, there's some things that we want to do to this group. We want to give it a cover photo here so it doesn't look like this. So in order to do that, you can click the edit button here, and you can choose photos from My Photos, from illustrations. You can upload your own photo, or you can add a group photo from your group. So what I do is, I'm not going to do it with this tutorial here, but I create my photos on Canva. So if I open up a new tab here, and I'm going to go to Canva, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I would click on social media here in this purple box, and then go to Facebook cover, and then this gives you the exact dimensions that you need to create the cover, and you can just create your cover within this box, and you can just click this download button here at the top right, and then you can upload it into Facebook. So back to our Facebook page, Facebook group, I should say. We're going to go ahead and look over on the left-hand side of the screen again, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to hit Settings. And here we're going to set up our group. So our group name and description. So I've already put the name in there as Aaron's Woodworking. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've already typed up the description here. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Paste it. Okay, so here's my description. So you want to give it a little description of what your site's about, what you're going to be offering to your group members, and we'll click Save. Privacy would be public. We've already done privacy. You can switch it to private here again if you want, or switch it back to public if you already have it to private. Hide group, whether you want it visible or not, and our location. So you want to put your group's location. So you want to put kind of like where you're at. If you're definitely setting up a business, you want to put in your actual address. So I'm just going to put in a general. I'm going to put Ohio since I'm located in Ohio in the United States. We'll click Save. Okay. So now we're going to customize the group. So a web address. So this web address, as you can see, isn't very memorable. It's facebook.com/groups and this huge long list of numbers that nobody's going to remember. So I'm going to change this, and I'm going to change that big long list of numbers, and I'm going to put it something that people might remember me by. And I'm going to put Aaron's Woodworking. And I'm going to click Save. And as you can see, now my Facebook group is facebook.com/groups/Aaron's Woodworking instead of that huge long list of numbers. Group color, if you have a branded color that you're using for your logo, you want to change this. So I'm going to change this to like this brownish color. I'm going to click Save. Badges, you don't have to do anything with badges unless you don't want badges to show up with people as they post. As a new member, Rising Star, Visual Storyteller, and all that, you can look at that on your own. Okay, so group type, so we're at group affiliation, and you can add a group affiliation to group, show the specific person or organization as an admin. So if I click that on, it's going to show me as an admin. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click cancel, and I'm going to click exit. So you can do that if you want. Group type, general. I'm going to leave it at general because this is going to be just a general group, but you can change the group type based on what kind of a group this is. So you want to look over that, just select which one is best for you, and then hit the save button. So since I'm not making any changes, I'm going to hit cancel. Okay, jobs. We don't have to do anything with jobs. To be honest with you, I'm not going to use that feature, but I'm not offering any jobs on my group. Anonymous posting, whether or not you want anonymous posts to appear in the group without the author's name. So you can turn that on if you want. I'm going to leave mine as off. Guides, you can organize posts by subject to help people learn new things. So if you want to put guides of videos or tutorials on there, you can do that. You can just click add. Or you want to host Q&A. The Q&A is an interactive post type that helps people share their expertise and answer questions from others in the group. So who can host the Q&A is only admins, monitors, or anyone in the group. I'm going to leave anyone in the group on mine and click cancel. So participant approval, this is something that you really want to pay attention to, because if you don't want people posting stuff in your group without being first approved by an admin or by you, then you want to turn this on. So I'm going to turn mine on. If you leave it off, then anybody can post just anything that they want in your group. So I'm going to click save. And who can participate in the group? So you want to click that. And profiles and pages, allow both pages and profiles to participate in the group, or only profiles, allow only profiles to participate in the group. Since I only have this, I'm going to just leave that checked for now. Manage discussion, approve all member posts. Post members must be approved by an admin or monitor. I'm going to put must be approved, so I'm going to click save. Approve edits. Edits must be approved or by moderator. I'm going to leave that off. Post shortcuts. This will show you at the bottom when someone makes a post, whether they can post a live video, a photo, or a poll. I'm just going to leave it as is. And post formats, you can change the post formats here of what you want to show up in your group. Linked pages. If you have any pages that you already have, like Facebook pages, you can link them here. Recommended groups. These are groups that you would be recommending to your members. So if you want to recommend someone else's group, then you can do that here. And you can connect apps to your group as well. And that's pretty much it. And after you've got this all set up, that's pretty much the basics of creating a Facebook group. So you can go back here. I'm just going to click the back button. And well, actually, I'm going to go back to the Facebook and I'm going to go click groups. So I'm going to click on groups that I manage, which is right here. And this is the actual group that I created. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple stuff. Just go down through the settings and fill in as much as you can. And don't forget, if you're looking for a more advanced tutorial on how to use the Facebook algorithm to your advantage to get more people in your group at a more faster rate, then be sure to check out Eric's tutorial. I will leave that link down below. And he uses what he calls the snowball effect, and he will teach you how you can use his methods to create a fast-growing Facebook group. He was able to create a Facebook group with over 100,000 members in less than a year. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you click like down below. And if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you very much.